Hello dear traders!
Good afternoon and welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News TV channel with us, Anna Kasatkina
and Ekaterina Stikhina.
You are watching the currency and commodity market review for the last week.
So what changes took place in the foreign exchange market on the last week?
The US dollar fell to its lowest level in more than a year against the basket of the major currencies.
And what triggered the sell-offs?
The greenback was pressured by the stronger euro and concerns over political uncertainty in the United States. The US dollar index, measuring its strength against six major currencies, closed lower at 93.78. It was the lowest close since June 22, 2017. The index ended the week down by 1.32%, recording its second weekly decline in a row. Fresh political turmoil in Washington rocked the dollar. On Thursday, Bloomberg reported that the investigation into alleged links between President Donald Trump's campaign and Russia in last year's election is extending into his business. Early in the week, Republican lawmakers pulled the plug on the latest version of a contentious bill to replace Obamacare, delivering a major policy blow to the Trump administration. The euro rose to its highest level in nearly 2 years against the dollar. The pair of euro-dollar hit the level of 1.1683, the highest level since September 2015. The shared currency gained 1.65% over the week. The euro was driven higher by expectations that the European Central Bank is moving closer to tapering its bond buying program. ECB's head Mario Draghi said on Thursday the bank will discuss when to trim its asset purchase program this autumn. Doubt over the Federal Reserve's plans for a third rate hike this year fueled the dollar's weakness. That's all about the current tendencies on Forex. And what trends prevailed on the commodity market last week?
Crude oil futures ended at the lowest levels in about a week.
And what was behind such moves?
Expectations for a rise in OPEC output. But prices finished just above those lows after Baker Hughes released weekly figures showing that the number of active U.S. oil rigs shrank by 1 to 764 last week. September Brent crude futures fell by 2.5% to $48.06, losing about 1.7% from the week ago close. The international benchmark had tapped the $50 a barrel level for the first time in more than a month on Thursday before giving up gains on a move that some experts attributed to profit-taking. At the same time, West Texas Intermediate futures for September delivery went down by 2.5% and settled at $45.77 a barrel after touching a low $45.71, the lowest mark since July the 12th. For the week, these contracts lost 2.1%. In the meantime, gold prices recorded their highest settlement in a month on Friday, gaining more than 2% over the week. August gold futures advanced to $1,254.90 an ounce. It was the highest level since June 23rd. Prices scored a weekly gain of 2.2% after a gain of 1.5% booked in the previous week. The yellow metal was pushed higher amid the turmoil in the White House and the weakness in the US dollar.
Anna, thank you for the commodity market review. You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on ИнстаФорекс TV.
It was presented to you by Ekaterina Stikhina
and Anna Kasatkina.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
See you.